Hi everyone, Genova is a global leader in dermatology, and its main product Delta is sold in 5 Southeast Asia countries. Currently, Genova ships Delta directly from Canada to each market, but this causes several problems: high shipping costs, long delivery times around 60 days, and large inventories in each country to maintain a 98% service level. As a result, there's significant product expiry which affects the marketing budget. To address these issues, Genova plans to work with AP company in Singapore to set up a regional distribution center. With this change, inventory can be centralized, delivery time shortened to 15 days, and both transport and inventory costs reduced.
Second, we talk about correct cost calculation under the district delivery model. This table shows some products. Now we use Malaysia as an example to introduce the cost calculation process. First, we can see the condition for Malaysia. The annual demand is 116,918 units. The order quantity paid time called ROP is 100,000 units. Each pallet is 5,000 units and each board is 500 units. We knew the servicing level is 98%, so we can convert to Z score. The Z is 2.05. Now we know these conditions, so we can calculate the distress deliver. First, we need to calculate the safety stock. Safety stock equals deliver lead time by 30 to find the root and times sigma and times z. We can get safety stock is 53,659. Then we can use safety stock to calculate average stock. The average stock is ROP divided by 2 and plus safety stock. Now we can get an average stock is 103,659. After that, we can calculate the warehousing cost. We use average stock divided by 500 and times 30 and times 12 is equal 3,900 and 860. Next, we talk about ordering cost. We use annual demand divided by 100,000 and times 200 is equal to 133.82. After ordering cost, we calculate transportation cost. It's equal each 1.169 order times 5,000 times ROP delivered by each pallet is equal 116,908. Finally, we can calculate the total cost. The total cost equal the warehousing cost plus the ordering cost plus the transportation cost is equal 157,001.81.
After switching to a DC central distribution model, Genova's cost structure has changed significantly. Now, products are first shipped from the manufacturer site in Canada to a regional distribution center in Singapore. From there, they are distributed to markets like Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, and Vietnam. This approach allows us to centralize inventory, reduce product expiry, and improve delivery times. In terms of cost, storage costs slightly decrease due to reduced safety stock, thanks to shorter lead times. Ordering costs remain roughly the same, as the number of orders per year does not change significantly. However, the transportation cost increases. In addition to shipping from Canada to Singapore, we now incur extra costs for shipping from Singapore to each market. For example, Malaysia's transport costs rose from around $116,000 to over $163,000. Overall, centralized disruption improves service levels and inventory efficiency. But unless we reduce intra-region transport costs, the total cost may rise. In Malaysia, the total cost increased by 28%, and in Indonesia by over $38,000.
We conduct a cost comparison for Genova's Southeast Asia supply chain used to distribution strategies. 1. Correct model, direct to market DTM, shipping directly from Canada to each market. Regional distribution center (RDC) model. Shipping from Canada to Singapore, then distributing to other countries. Key finding: all markets except Singapore experienced increased total cost under the RDC model. Malaysia and Indonesia saw the highest increase, approximately 28.56% and 28.34%, due to air transportation segment. Only Singapore saw a cost reduction of about 0.45% as its service as the RTC location. Cost comparison table we can see means RTC is more expensive and mean RTC is cheaper.